How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to change your Bluehost hosting plan. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports our channel. Now back to the video. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to log into your Bluehost account as an administrator. So you want to navigate to the dashboard or the control panel, and you would want to go to the hosting tab, as you can see here. So let's actually go to the hosting tab real quick. Here we are. Okay, so we're here, and normally this page would display all of your registered domains to your Bluehost account. So I'm going to select this one right here, and for obvious reasons, I'm not going to show you the details about this domain. So you just want to click on settings, like so, and you have two options here. You could either upgrade your plan or change your plan into something else. So if you want to click on upgrade, it's right below here as an option. So it reads hosting plan, WordPress basic hosting plan. So if you want to click on upgrade, this is what it looks like. Let's actually wait for it to load. Let me get this out of the way. And here you get to choose. You get WordPress Hosting Plus, or WordPress Basic Hosting, and you can see like the details and the services and the features that they come with. So for the Choice Plus hosting, you get 40 gigabytes of SSD storage. So that one is much faster than HDD, although I guess all of them run on SSDs. You get 3 sites plus 1 year backup, a free SSL, so more security, malware scan, privacy, and Yoast SEO free, and so on and so forth. Now, if you want to change your plan into something else, like an e-commerce plan, then you would want to click on the option here that says View Store Plans. And when you do, it looks like this. Let me remove the bar again. And you have two options here. You have e-commerce and e-commerce plus. So you just basically want to agree to the terms and pay for it, and this would convert your domain or hosting plan into an e-commerce one instead. So here you get services like bookings and appointments, gift cards, store creation, wish lists, whatnot. And e-commerce plus gets you everything plus multi-channel inventory management, and you can sell across different platforms like eBay, Etsy, Amazon, and much more. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's how we can successfully change the hosting plan for your Bluehost account. So right before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can get 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So with that said, hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.